Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from a group for consisting of Siti Lathifah, Aris Setiawan, and Lutfiah Yusti Arini from Education Study Program of Ringsi. As we know, not all objects can be measured using a ruler, especially objects with very small thickness and with very high accuracy. Therefore, we need to measure this object using micrometer screw. The part of the micrometer screw are facet shaft, sliding shaft, form, lock nut, slave, non-use scale, thimble, and ratchet. So today we will tell about how to use a micrometer screw. 1. The micrometer screw lock is open to allow the rotary jaw and rotary jaw to move. 2. The object that you want to measure is placed against the fixed shaft. 3. Then the thimble part is rotated until the object is pinched by the fixed shaft and the slit.
Step 4. The ratchet part is rotated to produce a more accurate calculation by moving the sliding shaft slowly until a click sound is heard. After that, make sure the object is really squared between the two shafts and the micrometer loop is closed, so that the measure of the object does not change. Then, look at the measured result dissected by the main scale and the non-use scale. Then, the main and non-use scale readings are added up. The example, using a micrometer screw to determination of the diameter D of a wire. You can use a micrometer to measure small 2.5 cm diameter that can fit within the jaw of the screw can be measured to within 100 of millimeter. Step 1. Close the jaw of micrometer and check for a zero error. 2. Place the wire between the anvil and spindle and as indicated in the diagram. Rotate the thimble until the wire is firmly held between the anvil and the spindle. 4. The ratchet is provided to avoid excessive pressure on the wire. It prevents the spindle from further movement, squeezing the wire.
Take a reading. First, look at the main scale. This has a linear scale reading on it. The long lines are every millimeter. The shorter ones do not have a millimeter in between. On the diagram, this reading is 2.5 millimeter. Now, look at the rotating scale that denotes 46 divisions. Each division is 0.01 millimeter. So we have 0.46 millimeter from this scale. The diagram of the wire is the sum of these readings. 2.5 plus 0.46 equals 2.96 millimeter. Sensitivity of the reading, you can read to have a rotating scale divisions to within 0.005 millimeter, but no more than that. That assumes you have experience and confidence in using the instrument. Plus or minus 1 division is more realistic.
Practical notes. 1. SWiki or standard wire gauge 32 wire has a manufacturer diameter value of 0.274 mm. If you measure it with a micrometer in school, you could only say the was 0.275 mm. That last digit of 4 would be impossible to measure with a micrometer. Number 2. Always check carefully for a zero error before using the micrometer. This is the explanation of the step to measure the tension of object using a sekrup micrometer. Sorry if there is a wrong word. That is all for my group. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.